Hello Solutionist. Welcome back to my channel. This video is all about try catch finally conditional statement. This is the sample output. This is our interface for form registration. We have labels, text boxes, combo boxes, daytime picker for our student number program, last name, first name, middle initial, age, gender, birth date and contact number, and a button for registration. Then we create a class. It has a memory space of organization profile. A main class name is Student Information Class. Inside of the class we initialize. Long data type name is set student number is equal to 0. Long data type name is set contact number is equal to 0. Int data type name is set age is equal to 0. String data type name is set program is equal to null. String data type name is set gender is equal to null. String data type name is set birthday is equal to null. String data type name is set full name is equal to null, with public static access modifier. This declared variable is to set value to our form confirmation labels to be print. So this is the form interface of form confirmation. It has labels that will print the user input later. As you can see, we have a labels that is not null. This labels is to identify what is the information is. And this is the null labels that will have a value later. This is done by set variables from student information class. The flow of data is from form registration to be passed to student information class and to this form labels. So let's go to our form registration code to set the value of class variables. It has no space organization profile. We initialize private variable, string full name, int age, long contact number, and long student number. This is the main method of class. We have created a return method. Long return type name is student number with parameter of string data type as studnum. Then we call the declared variable name student number is equal to studnum that is converted to long. Then we will return the student number. Long return type name is contact number with parameter of string data type as contact. Then inside of it we create a try catch finally conditional statement. Try if regex is matched to 0 to 9 value integer and 10 to 11 index. We call the declared variable name contact number is equal to contact converted to long. Else throw new index out of range exception then print index out of range. And catch to handle exception E. This is a null exception. Then finally we will print this in every execution of this event. And simple finally is always printed. This is for inform the user how to avoid exception. Then after trying we will return a value of contact number. String return type name is full name with parameter of string data type as last name, first name, middle initial. Then inside of it we create a try catch finally conditional statement. Try if regex value is matched to lowercase or lower with uppercase or uppercase only. Same as to the first name and middle initial. We call the declared variable name full name is equal to last name separated by comma plus first name and middle initial. Else throw new argument null exception then print this. and catch to handle exception E. This is a null exception. Then finally we will print this. Then after trying we will return a value of full name. Int return type name as age with parameter of string data type as age. Then inside of it we create a try catch finally conditional statement. Try if regex is matched to 0 to 9 value integer and 1 to 3 int x. We call the declared variable name age is equal to age converted to long. Else throw new overflow exception then print this. And catch to handle exception E. This is a null exception. Then finally we will print this in every execution of this event. Then after trying we will return a value of age. Then we create a button on click button for register button. Inside of it, we call the student information class and its variable. Set full name is equal to full name method with parameter of text boxes of last num, first num, and middle initial. Set student number is equal to student number method with parameter of text box student number. Set program is equal to combo box programs. Set gender is equal to combo box gender. Set contact number is equal to contact number method with parameter of text box contact number. Set age is equal to age method with parameter of text box age. Set birthday is equal to date picker value with years, months and days format. Then we create a constructor for form confirm name as form. Then show form. Also we created a form load event. Inside of the event, we created a two-array list for list of program and list of gender as string data type. This is the list of program and the list.gender. After adding list we utilize for loop to loop the list. Loop start with 0 then with the end of 6 then increment then add all the list of program value index to combo box program. Loop start with 0 then with the end of 2 then increment then add all the list of gender value index to combo box gender. Let's see the example of throwing all the exceptions. Thank you for watching.